Do you know how websites or any mobile application get the details of your location coordinates, your IP address, your device details like which device you are using or which browser you are using? What is the coding or logic used behind this? Hi, my name is Amish and I will be your instructor during this location tracker project. We will be developing one website using HTML, JavaScript, and PHP which will get you the details of location coordinates, IP address, and the device details of the person who will open this website. So the hierarchy of this video will be like first we will be developing a HTML page and we will be embedding JavaScript code in that page only. And after that we will create one PHP code. Using that we will store the location of the person who will click on the link. And after that, uh, in the last we will host that website, and you can send that link to any person, and the person who will be clicking on that link, you will be getting the details of that person. So first of all, like you have to create one HTML page. So that's depend upon your creativity, like how you can do that. So my idea is like what I will do that I will just search Giphy meme. We can directly come to this Giphy meme page. After that, you can take any of the meme, like you can search the category also. Okay, so I'm going to take the category as animal. Let's take it. Just for the creating the web page, we can take any of the meme. Okay, so let me take this meme, and you can see here the embed code is there. Okay, so you can click on it and you can just copy the code, and after that we are done with this website. Okay, just close it. And what I will do that I will create one folder. So in that folder I will keep the name as location tracker, and inside this folder I will be doing all my HTML and PHP development. So let me create one file. I will create one text document first. In this text document I will give name as index.html, and after that I will open it with notepad and I will just paste that code which I had copied. Okay, and let's save it. Done. And after that I will open it. Let's see what is happening. So you can see we are getting meme or whatever the image we have embedded here. Okay, so the idea is like we will be sending this meme to our friend or any of the person you want to track the location, and that person will be clicking on this link, and you will be getting the details of that person. So for that, only this thing is not enough. Okay, what we have to do that we have to actually embed some more code inside this. So I'm going to open it, and after that you can directly search from the any of the website or the Google, like how you can get the location tracker code. I am directly giving you the code here. For that, what we have to do that we have to actually write like first let's take it as doc type HTML, or we can directly start it with directly HTML, and after that we have to close it also. Before closing it, let's give the body also. So we have given the body, and let's close it also, and after that we will close the HTML, and inside this we will be writing a script. So for the script, so first of all what will we do that we will be giving this script ID. Okay, so giving ID is like so we have given the ID as demo, and inside that we are giving the variable as var x, and get element by ID, and that the ID is demo. So we have taken the ID, and what we will do that we will actually define one function. So the function will be like get location. Okay, so I'm going to create a function. So get location function, what it will do that inside that we will give if condition, and inside the if we will write like navigator dot geolocation. This is going to take the geographical location using the GPS. So navigator dot geolocation, and if GPS is present, then what it will do that it will give you the get current position. And after that, we will create one more function that will be actually show position. So that function will be called and you will be getting the position if condition is satisfied. And if the condition is not satisfied, then what it will do that else. And again, we will create one more function that is show position we have called. So for the show position, so in the show position, what we will do that we will get the latitude and longitude of the person clicking on the website. So this will be giving us the position of the latitude and longitude. And one more thing we have to do that we have to actually first call this function in this code. So for that, we have not called it yet. We will doing it as a body load, but let me show you like how it will work. So right now I'm going to create one button. So on click event we are going to call. So on click, what will happen that it will call the get location. So get location function will be called when the person will click this. So just to show that like how it will work, we are doing that. Otherwise, in the real time, we will use on load event to loading the page. You will be getting the coordinates. Okay, so I'm going to write try it. So we are good with our code. You can see here like what I have done that we have first created one doc type HTML, and after that what we have done that we have inserted the meme in the body, and we have given here just for the demonstration purpose like click the button to get your coordinates. We will be removing this in our further video. And after that what we are doing that we have given one button that is get location, and using the get location when the person will be clicking on this try it, there will be showing the coordinates of the person. Okay, and after that what is done that we are getting the elements by id demo, and after that we are creating one function get location, and the get location it is checking that if the gps is available, then it will call the show position function to get the current position of the person. And in the show position what we are doing that we are creating inner HTML tags, and in that we are getting the latitude and longitude of the person. So let's see that whether it is working or not. Okay, so save, not save as. Let me close it and let me open it. So I have opened it and let me click on the try it. So the only problem with this is it will ask for the location, allow or block. So you can see this is my location coordinate, and you can paste it Google map and you can get the exact location of the person. So let's enhance our code. Now we will be removing these all things. We will be removing these all things. We don't want these things. What we want that the person loads the page and we gets the coordinate of that person. Let's go to the folder we have created. So here we will edit our code and we will be removing all the unwanted things. So from the show position, we will be removing this click here to get the coordinates, and we'll be removing this button also because we don't want to click on the button. Instead, we will be directly call the onload function. So when the body will be loaded, you will get the coordinate of the person. The idea is like we want to store the coordinates of the person. So for that, we will be using one PHP file creation. In that PHP file, it will create one TXT document and it will store the location of the person. So for that, let's create one constant HTTP XML request. That's it for now. Let's close this. And after that, we don't want this code as well, because what will be done that it was for the page only, and after getting the everything we want to send it also. So after that we have to call send x http dot send. For this will send all the details to the person. So let's save it. Let's see how our website is looking now. So where I had opened it, I forgot. So here, let me refresh it. So what is happening that it is still asking for the location. Okay, we will create one PHP file, and using that PHP file we will be getting the latitude and longitude, and we will be storing that in our location.txt file. So let's start creating that a PHP file also. So for that, again I'll go to text document. So let's keep it as a text document only, and you can simply like make it as save as, and from here you can write like store dot txt not txt php, and inside this what I will do that I will write the PHP code. So I'll be using notepad only in this video. So let's write the PHP code for that. So for writing the PHP code, you have to write it like, let's write the file, like how you can write a file. So to writing a file, there are some certain syntax. So you can directly get it from Google. Here I will write like my file. I am creating the instance of my file as fopen and file open, and inside that I will give the file name. So my file name will be like location dot txt. So the extension is txt here, and the permission I am giving is write. Okay, so the operation I am performing here is write operation I am performing, and after that in that txt file what I want to actually store, we have to get it from our javascript underscore get dollar underscore get, and this we will be getting from the our HTML file. So let me show you what we have given name here. So here we have given latitude as lat and longitude as long. Okay, so that only we will be using inside the get. I'll be giving it as, so this is what we want to write in the file right now, and after that we will write file write. So file write, how we'll be doing that, we will again in the my files where we want to write it, in the my file instance we have already created, and what we want to write, so we want to write the txt what we have get from the our javascript code, and after that writing the file you have to close it always. So file close, and which file you want to close you have to mention it. So I want to close actually my file, so I will save it. It won't work here in the local. Let's see that whether it is working or not. I don't think it will be working. Okay, so it is. Let's check that in the, let me refresh it. So it is not working in the local, of course. So for that we have to host this website. So what it will be done that whenever you will host this website, what will be happening that you will be getting one location.txt file created here. Okay, and inside that location.txt you will be getting the latitude and longitude of the person. So before hosting this website, let's add some more functionality, like let's get the IP and the device detail of that person also. We have to first go to our uh, index.html file. Inside that we will be actually adding the user agent. So what user agent is, it will be doing that like it will be giving you the details of the browser and the device person is using. So this code will give us the details of the person, like what device he is using. So let's close it and let's open our PHP file. So in this file we will be again adding the string, like what we want to again get. So what I want to get, like I want to get the IP details also of the person. So for that, again here directly we can get the IP detail. So to get the IP we can directly do it, like we have to again write one new string, and after that we will be getting the details of the person. So for that what we can do that, we can write like /n and then user agent So user agent or browser details you can write, or device detail, whatever you want you can write. And after that we have to get it from the JavaScript. So for that we'll be getting get, and we have defined it as uagent. So that's it. We are going to save it. We will see that how we can host this website. So you can use like whatever you want to host, like whatever the source you want to host your website, either paid or free. So just for the educational purpose, I'll be using one free source here. I would like to mention that this is not the promotion of anything. I'm just using it for the educational purpose. I will go to one source which I know. Let me go there. And here what you have to do, that you have to either sign in or create one account. So I'll be creating one account and I will be coming back. Okay, so till then I'll be skipping the video. So after creating your account, you have to skip all the things and you have to come here to start your project. Okay, so what you have to give the name here is like the name you should give something like which should not get captured, like you want to track the location. So what I'm going to give the name as like uh, funny location meme. Okay, location meme. So I'm going to give it like funny location meme. So whenever some will be, and I'll be telling you why I have given the name as funny location meme. Okay, and I'm going to set the password. So password I will be giving as, so let me hide it. So password I have created, and I'm going to create my project. So let's see how we can do after that, and why I have given the name as funny location meme. So because we are using the free source, so in the domain of the website will be coming. So that's not a problem if you want to just track the location of any person. Okay, I'm going to save it, not a problem for me. What we'll be doing, that we'll be using upload your site. We don't want to build from WordPress or website builder. So I think the two instance has opened. Let me close one. And in this we will be going public.html. Inside this we will just upload the files. So we have created on the desktop, we have location tracker, and we have these two files. I'm going to upload it, and the uploading has been finished. Okay, and let me show you why I had given the funny location meme. So I'm going to view it. So here you can see that it is coming as funny location meme. Okay, it is coming as funny location meme. Okay, so whenever your friend will open, so it will ask for the location permissions. So right now so far we are good with hosting our website. So I will open this. So here it is asking for the location. The only problem with this is it will ask for the location. So let me allow it. Okay, so because I have given it funny location meme, that's why so that someone in the hurry could allow it. Okay, and let's come here and let's refresh it. So you can see here location.txt file is coming. So when you will open that, you will get the latitude and longitude of the person and the IP address also that person. And after that, you in the user agent you will be getting the details like what he is using. Okay, so here it is Windows. I'm using Windows machine, so it is giving, and here it is I'm using Chrome. So let me close it. After that, let me check that whether if I'm not giving the location permission, what is happening. Okay, I will again delete this file. Let me refresh it. I will select it and I will delete it. Yeah, and let me view it. Right now it is not asking for the location permission. I think it has by default taken. Yeah, it has by default taken. Okay, so let me close it and let me delete it. And what we will do, that we will open this in some new browser. So let me open it in the Chrome, in the Mozilla. So here it is asking for the location permission. So I'm not going to give it the location permission. I'm blocking it. Now let's see whether it is getting created here or not. I'm refreshing it and it is not getting created. Yeah, so the only problem with it is like if you don't give the location permission, the file will not be created. Location.txt file will not be created. And if we give the location permission, yeah, everything will be fine. Okay, so this is how you can get the idea like how the website tracks your location. So you are getting the latitude and longitude. So using if you put it on the Google Maps also, you will get the exact position of that person. So this is how you can track the location of the person. So I hope you have learned a lot using this project. That's it for this video, guys. I will be giving you the code and you can host it directly and you can customize it according to your own requirement. So thank you so much.